everyone, welcome to our first nail art video in this marathon. Since couple days I'm receiving already all the homework and many of you already sent me fantastic work, and many of you sent me a work from being not as good and then changing it over just within a day to perfection, and I'm so excited. I'm actually getting goosebumps all over, and it also feels very good that I can do something for you. So I'm sending you these videos and you send me back the work, and I feel that return of energy, and it is fantastic, and that's what I love about this marathon. Today we will make I will show you a nail art. I know that you might not have many products or the products I'm using. I'll show you the technique, and you can do whatever you can do or want to do out of it. And it's pretty easy art, but it looks very interesting and something to add to your collection. Let's start. Oh, and by the way, you don't have to send the homework in. You can. You'll get some of my feedback, but it's not a mandatory. So it is nice to have, and if you want to show me, and if you don't want to show me, it is okay. I don't know if you've seen on Instagram this set I made for a class I was taking, and I still have this ring. And let's read this design. First of all, what we're doing, we make a background. So the background can be whatever combination of colors. It can be pastel, it can be something dark, it can be pigments, it can be chromes, it can be whatever you like. Then we put two dots on different levels of the nail, and then from each dot we send about 3 lines. Here's one line, here's another line, then it's a connection line. Oh no, it's not a connection, it's like 3. And here was a line number 4, 5, and 6. Nail, it can be different amount of lines, right? And from this dot we do make the same. 1, here 2, 3, and 4. And then where all the lines are connected, we connect them with a little softening side, and make those little thing always just rounded corners, and then we add some extra lines. So let's see, what am I gonna make. So I will make it with a glitter now. And I apply gel polish base on top. Then I take holographic silver glitter spray and apply it around. And then I take hollow pink glitter spray and fill out the other spots. And cure it. Magnetic has different glitter sprays, and in the last order I received those beautiful colors, and they should be in the online shop available already. So I'm taking my tip and put some extreme matte top gel. So the next colors that I'm putting over stay on and don't shrink and don't run anywhere. Wait a little bit and cure. I'm taking black and white liner gels and put them on my palette. So first the black. You can take any gel, it can be paint. This particular design is made with paint, so it was a red paint. And I will take a tiny little bit of the white. I will use the Papayan's Choice brush. Put it through the product to keep it very thin. And here's my one dot, and there will be my other dot. So from the first dot, make 1, 2, 3 lines, and from the other one I will make 1, probably here another one, two, and the 3. Don't make too many lines. It will be hard to fill them, and it will be too much to work on. And now I'm just rounding them up, all the connections. Also here. Can be somewhere even higher. And here lower. Here I will make it a little bit bigger. But here I will make it smaller. And here smaller. And here a little bit bigger. It will be, if it's not symmetrical, if it's not kind of made up like a stamp or something, then it looks even better. So it's more dynamic. And the same here, a little bit higher, even like in there, smaller here, high there, and smaller here. Of course, you can always add something here if you feel like. But you don't have to. And cure. Now you can use some semi-transparent gel polish, or use some clear gel polish and add there some pigment or other colors. I will use magnetic glass pink gel polish. So we need something transparent or semi-transparent, or something that is not really covering. And using this small oval junior brush, I will fill some of the holes. You can use different colors and different holes. I will make just very easy for you, so you don't have to use many products, just whatever you feel like. You can cover them all in different colors. Probably this little one. And cure again. In the meantime, I will show you how I did this design in polish. Oops. In paint, sorry. This is made with paint, and there are different colors inside there, and a little bit of chromes and a little bit of different colors and shadings and everything. Now I'm taking Jessica's Choice brush. Take white. No, sorry. I take the black again. Black. And go at some windows very, very close to the window and duplicate the lines. Not on all of them, but on some of them. And it's always in one side, so you don't do it on both sides, you just do it on one side. Here again. And now I will take the white, also go through the paint. When I go through the paint, I also twist the brush so the hairs are twisted, and this way it keeps giving me very, very thin lines. And now where I had the black in between, I will go with the white. If you don't have that thin brushes and don't want to damage it or make it look worse, you can just use the white instead of that black and just make one line without that black on the outside. But that white line gives it a little bit extra accent. Just like that. And cure. After it's all cured, I will apply the top gel, and I will use again the Supreme Finish top gel. Because the paint itself is very thin, I don't have any uneven places, but if you feel it's uneven, you can of course use some buffer after you cured the top gel. Buff it even and apply another coat of top gel. So this is just one of the techniques. You can use it in paint and any colors in anything you have. You can use only one background color in gel polish, whatever you have handy, whatever you like. See, I used here some chrome, nice. And you can make it on your nail or on a tip if you want, and then just send me a picture so I can see that. Thanks for watching.